Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Lego Man costume is probably one of the most iconic and recognizable outfits you can don for Halloween, a costume party, or any themed event, instantly transforming you into a beloved childhood toy with its distinct blocky aesthetic and vibrant colors, making it a fantastic choice for both kids and adults who want to stand out and evoke a sense of playful nostalgia. Number 5. Dress Up America Marching Band Drum Major Costume. Does your child dream of leading the band? This costume lets them step into the role of a drum major. With its detailed design, this uniform captures the essence of a real drum major's attire. It's perfect for imaginative play and performances. Crafted for comfort and durability, this costume is made to last through many adventures. Your child can wear it for hours of fun. Encourage your child's creativity and sense of leadership with this inspiring outfit. It's a great way to foster an interest in music and performance. Whether for a costume party, Halloween, or just everyday dress-up, this marching band uniform is a fantastic choice. Let their imagination march on. What we like. This offers a full marching band ensemble for kids. If you're looking for a complete and impressive costume for a themed party or performance, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for children who love music and parades. What people say. The 4T fit my 3-year-old, 2T fit my 16-month-old, both average-sized kids. 3-year-old has put a lot of miles on his already, and it holds up nice, washes easy. This was the best-looking band costume out there for an 11-year-old. The elastic waist is perfect for slimmer kids like my son, and would stretch enough for a heavier kid too. The gold accents are well done. He's a tall 2.5 years old and the 4T was a bit big, so I hope it fits for next Halloween. Number 4. Lego Collectible Minifigure Series 17 Corn Cob Guy. Introducing a unique addition to your collection. This is the Corn Cob Guy from Series 17. He's a fun and quirky character, perfect for display or imaginative play. This figure comes complete with all of its original accessories, just as you'd expect. It also includes a handy display base to showcase your new minifigure. Don't miss out on adding this special minifigure to your Lego world. What we like. This is a rare collectible minifigure with its own display base. If you are a dedicated Lego collector or looking for a unique display piece, this is the one for you. It's ideal for adult collectors or older children who appreciate rare items. What people say. The costume is made of foam, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear. The design allows for easy movement, so you can walk and sit without restriction. It's a great conversation starter and gets a lot of attention at parties. Number 3. Kids Lego Iconic Kit. Ignite your child's imagination with this exciting kit. It's perfect for hours of creative building fun. With a wide variety of colorful bricks, the possibilities are truly endless. Watch as they bring their wildest ideas to life. This toy is more than just fun, it helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It's a great way to learn through play. Designed with safety in mind, these pieces are durable and easy for little hands to handle. You can trust it for your child's playtime. Looking for a gift that will be cherished? This iconic kit is sure to be a hit for birthdays or any occasion. Encourage storytelling and imaginative play with this versatile set. It's the foundation for countless adventures. What we like. This kit provides iconic Lego pieces for creative construction. If you enjoy open-ended building and creating your own designs, this is a great option. It's suitable for builders of all ages who love the classic Lego experience. What people say. The mask was perfect size for an adult, but the hands were a kid's size. Fantastic. The quality is better than I expected. The plastic isn't super thin like some masks that crack or break easily. You can see through it well, and the optics from the outside are great. Number 2. This Guy's Men's Emmet Adult Costume Kit. Are you ready to build your way to adventure? This costume kit lets you step into the shoes of a beloved character. With this ensemble, you'll capture the instantly recognizable style of Emmet. It's perfect for Halloween or any costume party. Designed for comfort and ease of wear, you can move freely and enjoy your event. Get ready for a blocktastic time. Embrace the spirit of creativity and fun. This costume is your ticket to becoming the hero of your own story. Whether you're a fan of the movies or just love a good costume, this is a fantastic choice. It's great for adults looking to have some fun. What we like. This costume perfectly captures the look of Emmet from the Lego Movie. If you're a fan of the film and want to dress up as your favorite character, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for adult fans attending conventions or costume parties. What people say. Mask fits adult size head with enough room. Hands were the perfect size and great quality. Super easy adult costume. The mask and hands are outstanding. Number 1. LEGO Series 13 Hot Dog Man Minifigure. Get ready for some fun with this authentic LEGO minifigure. It's a unique addition to any collection. Introducing the Hot Dog Man, ready for adventure. This character comes with cool accessories to enhance playtime. He's not just any minifigure, he comes with a special blue, spongy LEGO cape. It's a fantastic detail. This figure stands less than 2 inches tall, making it perfect for display or play. It's a great collectible. Your new friend arrives in a sealed LEGO mystery foil pack, adding an element of surprise to your unboxing experience. Please note that due to small parts, this item is not suitable for children under 6 years of age. What we like. This is an authentic LEGO minifigure of the beloved Hot Dog Man, complete with accessories. If you enjoy the surprise and excitement of opening a mystery pack or are specifically looking for this fun character, this is a great pick. It's best for collectors or children over 6 who love unique minifigures. What people say. Love minifigs. Great, but did not come with cape as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.